What's up, guys? So this is the theory I've been working on recently. I wonder what emotions would come up if another person were to say all the words I've said in my life in chronological order of original speech, from my birth to my death or near death. And then after they've said the words, just see what happens in the mind. Like maybe in the future when computer biointerface technology exists, what type of code that would execute into the internet, or what type of situation would happen from the statement of my words. Was it generally good words that I've said or generally bad words that I've said? It'd probably take a good 24 hours of nonstop speech, or maybe they'll spread it out over a couple of days or a week, but it might sound cool in a song or be a good movie premise or script. Another theory I've been working on is if there was some person who could taste the combination of every single edible flavor that exists on Earth, what would that resulting flavor taste like? Would it be sweet? Would it be spicy? Would it be salty? Would it be bitter? And yeah, so one theory, every single word I've said until I've died, if that could execute some type of, command into bio computer interface. And the second theory, what's the flavor of Earth? All right, catch you guys later.